Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a practice 3D model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch, go to part 2. From here, we'll start from this base. Now go to part 3 and we'll select the top plane, the exit plane. Now rotate the view. Here take the rectangle command and here we are going to take center point slot. Select this center point and make a slot profile. Okay, go to dimension. Here the center to center distance will be 125 mm and here the radius will be of 50 mm. Okay, now go to circle command. From this center point, make a circle of diameter 35. From this center point, make a diameter of 35. Okay, go to finish sketch. Take extrude command and select this profile. Here we are going to take extrude of 12.5 mm and press OK. Okay. Now go to part 2. Now we are going to construct this top part. Go to front view. So we have two profiles here. First profile is this and the second profile is this. Now we are going to make this taper profile. Go to home and here go to part 3. Now for the second profile, first we are going to generate a new plane. Go to plane, take offset from plane, rotate, select this base. Now rotate the profile and here we will take minus 80 mm. So a new plane will be generated at 80 mm distance from this base. Press OK, go to home, select this plane, go to create sketch, go to project geometry and project the outer profile. Okay, this is last. Now finish. Now go to extrude, flip the direction and here we are going to take a distance of 80 mm. So this will be extrude of 80 mm, a single direction extrude and press OK. Okay. Now here go to part 2. Here we have a taper profile. So to construct the taper profile, go to part 3 and here go to origin and we will select the XY plane. Go to create sketch, go to view, go to visual style and change the style to wireframe. Go to sketch, take the line command and make a taper line over here. Go to dimension. From base, this will be at a distance of 12.5 and the angle here will be of 10 degree. Okay, now go to line and make a close profile here. Select this point and here select till here. Escape. Now we have a close profile here. Go to finish sketch, take extrude, take a symmetric extrude and here we will take all. Okay, and press here cut. So this top profile will be cut. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges and press OK. Okay, go to front view. Now you can see the taper profile. Now go to home and here select this plane 1. Go to create sketch. Now go to part 2. Now we are going to make this internal profile. Go to top view. So we are making this profile now. Part 3 and here go to view and take wireframe. Sketch. Go to project geometry. Project the outer profile one by one and here we will take offset. So we'll offset this profile, select this, offset inside at 10 mm and escape. Okay. Now here take 3D model, take extrude, select this inner profile, flip the direction. So this will be a cut profile now. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded edges. Here you can see the cut profile. As this is hollow profile from bottom, press OK. OK. Now select this plane again. Go to create sketch. Now this time go to slot and we are going to take center to center slot. And here select this center point, drag the cursor on this and select the center point and make a slot. Go to dimension. Here we will define the radius as 25 mm. Okay. Now from here we will take 2-point rectangle, select this end point of slot and make one profile like this. Similarly one profile here. Go to dimension, define this dimension as 25 and here define this dimension as 25. Okay. Now finish sketch. Okay, one more profile is left. Go to circle and here make two circles 35 or just go to project geometry, project these circles. Escape, delete this profile also, delete this. Okay, delete this green part. Go to project geometry and project this circle. Now finish sketch, go to 3D model, take extrude, select this inner profile and here select this profile also, rotate and select this profile. Go to home and here we are going to take extrude of 10 mm and flip the direction. So this will be upper side. Now press OK. Okay, so this will be a joining profile. Okay. Now select this plane 1, right click, turn off the visibility. The work of plane 1 is over now. Now go to part 2, go to home. Now we are going to make these supportive ribs, both the sides. Okay. Go to home, go to part 3, select this face over here, go to create sketch, take the line command and here make one line like this, one joining line and one line here and join here. Escape, select this yellow profile, make it construction, select this, make it construction. Okay, go to dimension, select this point and select this point. This is 25 mm. Okay, finish sketch, take extrude, flip the direction. This will be extrude of 10 mm and here we are taking join. Press OK. Now rotate the profile, select this face, go to create sketch and go to line command, select this point and select here. Now select from this end point and make one line till here and joining profile. Escape, select this yellow line, make it construction, select this, make it construction, select this also, make it construction. Okay, go to dimension, define this dimension as 25. Okay, and here also this also 25 mm. Now finish sketch, go to extrude, flip the direction, extrude of 10 mm and here we are taking join. Press OK. Okay, here also it is perfect. Now here go to fillet command. We are taking fillet radius of 2. Select this edge, select this base, select this top, select this bottom and select here. Press OK. Now we'll define the appearance. From here we'll take the light red color, click here. Okay. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.